What's up, everyone? If you're still with me from the last video, thanks for hanging out. If you're new to this one, thanks for watching. So, what we're looking at today is the next release of this year's release of the Sk8 High cap, and this is the non-luxe version, like the one that just released last time and caused a frenzy. If you're familiar with that one, you're gonna be like, oh yeah, this looks very similar. The only real difference is there's some smaller ones like textile along here, like the whole strip on the eyelets. It was predominantly leather detailing on the last model, and small things have changed. Like this one, I believe on the Luxe, it said, you know, like off the wall on the laces, and that kind of like off-white-esque print with quotations or parentheses. There's nothing on this one at all, really. It's very blank, and that could have been just because they took a little too much heat last time when they had something that looked so similar. Let's go over it. We have on the back here some very crude stitching all the way around, all the way up. So it is, you know, okay leather, or suede, I should say. Nothing too special about it. Stitching along their stripe is pretty clean. It's got that like jersey embroidery stitch there all the way down. The zipper, not the easiest zipper in the world. I can't single hand it. A lot of times, like the good test style would show someone, hey, yeah, the zipper works really well. It's fairly stiff with one hand. Can't really get it to all the way down. That's because there's a bit of a curve in it too, and it is like a brand new zipper. You can like probably soap it up and it would work really well. Detailing on top though, leather bits here, but again that like weird cotton canvas here. I gotta like iron this one down just a bit because it's kind of like dog-eared, and this was out of the box. Stitching fairly thick around there too. If this is a material that if you don't keep this like crepe protected or like use another similar product, this is gonna get dirty as hell real fast. So if that's the look you're going for, you want that like aged kind of like white Converse, it's gonna be great. But if you're gonna try to keep the shoe clean as you wear it, you're gonna have to keep it like creped, like 24/7. Moving to the front, again, suede embroidery. This is like the classic. This is what you would, you know, expect to see on a pair of Vans on Sk8 High. Got some padding here, and then some dirt marks up here already. Like, I don't know what it was, but like out of box, like it was dirty already, and this was a brand new pair that like no one tried on or anything. Like, it was dirty out of the box, which is super weird. I think they might have rushed production on these just a bit. I wouldn't call it B grade, but like quality on these wasn't superb. Again, if this is a shoe you're gonna wear and you're gonna like quote unquote beat them into the ground, it's not going to bother you. But if you wanted to wear them and have like a clean pair of shoes for a bit and, you know, distress them on your own, it might distress you a bit. Looking at the inside, it's nice leather lined sock liner, so that'll last you a long time. I always find that with like, you know, Vans and Converse, this like starts to rub, you more or less wear a hole through the shoe. It's not the thickest leather, so it's probably not going to be like indestructible, but nonetheless, it is a leather sock liner there, so all throughout the collar, all there, that's leather. It's going to hold up really well. On the reverse side of the tongue, we got the sizing here, off the wall. Nothing hidden. There's no like little Easter eggs or anything here for those of you that are like, oh, I wonder if I look at here if there's going to be a marking. No, nothing. That's pretty straightforward. I think they did a better job around the first time they did the shoe, the Luxe cap. There's nothing. Go to the other shoe, because again, like, so on the one I just showed you, on the right shoe, I said I gotta iron this down. Same thing here, but it's not dog-eared. It's just kind of like flapped up a bit. Stitching there is like super thick, and I feel like if you pull on this too much, it's actually gonna like rip it. So I'm not going to. I really don't want to touch it. Same thing here. Nothing on the laces at all. So I mean, this opens it up for a lot of like customizing if you really wanted to. You could change the laces out here and there, and you can definitely, you know, give it like, you know, those like faux off-white laces. Same thing on the back. Here, look, there's focus in there for you. there. See, there's like, you know, like some little, like a dye mark or a dirt spot right there. Down here below, see, there's like a little notch. Like, this is just how it came out of the box. So, and I only had the 111 for myself to choose from. There was no 10.5, and 11.5 still would have been big. 12 would have been massive because of how big they fit. This is why I feel like they rushed it, or they just used material that they had like laying around some factory to put them together. I'm gonna wear them still. I'm just gonna try to keep them clean. I might even like pre-clean them, give them a good scrub, get all that factory gunk off first, and then wear them. But I do like the colors. I like the contrast of that kind of like taupe, eggshell color, the black, the cream. It's very minimalist in terms of color. In contrast to how eclectic the shoe is actually put together as well. There's that, like that should be on the back, but of course it's not because it's this one here. Nothing on the bottom, nothing hiding at all. See, there's another little like factory defect just when they like heat pressed or like bonded the shoe together. You can see the kind of like indentation right there. So that's that. That's my latest pickup from Vans. This is the first pair of Vans I've bought in years. Last pair of Vans I bought was like a Vans Pendleton Takahashi collab, and they went on sale at a local store for like $40. So I definitely picked my pair because I wasn't down to pay like the $200 or whatever. Retail on these, however, is these are like 110 or 120. And the slip-ons down there, these were like 100 or 110. So definitely a shoe that they could have charged a lot more for to kind of ride off the hype of the last release, but they didn't, and I'm in favor of that because, you know, I got a pair for retail and I'm gonna wear them and I'm gonna actually enjoy them and not worry about, oh man, I just paid $700 for a pair of shoes, I'm afraid to wear them. No. I'm going to enjoy these. I just got to get a pair of pants that like fit well and rock them. So, again, thank you for watching. If you enjoy these videos, leave a like, leave a subscribe, do whatever, just let me know, get some feedback, let's get the conversation going. Will you pick these up? If you do, are you going to leave them as is? Are you going to change the laces? Are you going to distress them further? Are you going to add like a strap or something? Like, what are you going to do? Are you going to customize it? Are you going to leave it? Let me know down below. Let's get the conversation going. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy these videos.